Story 2. Thomas took Eliza on holiday to a tropical escape. Thomas Reed stood on the balcony of his luxurious penthouse, the sun setting over the skyline of New York City, painting the horizon in hues of orange and pink. Despite his immense wealth, there was a sense of emptiness that lingered in his heart. He had built his empire, but he knew that true richness was found in the relationships he cultivated. Among his many employees, one person stood out: Eliza Brooks, his dedicated housekeeper. Eliza had been with Thomas for years, and he admired her unwavering work ethic and kindness. She never sought recognition. Rather, she found joy in serving others, always with a warm smile. One day, during a casual conversation while he was working from home, Thomas noticed her tired eyes. "Is everything all right, Eliza?" he had asked, genuinely concerned. "Oh, just the usual, Mr. Reed. My family and I haven't been on a proper vacation in ages," she replied, a hint of longing in her voice. That simple conversation sparked an idea in Thomas's mind. He decided to show his gratitude in a way that would create lasting memories. He called Eliza into his office the next day. "Eliza," he began, "I want to thank you for all your hard work. You and your family deserve a break. How would you like to go on a vacation? I'm thinking of Sandals Resort in Jamaica." Eliza's eyes widened in disbelief. "Really? A vacation? For my family and me?" "Yes. You, your mother Doris, and your siblings Sean and Penny. It's time for all of you to relax and enjoy yourselves," he said, his excitement contagious. Tears welled in Eliza's eyes as she struggled to find words. "Thank you, Mr. Reed. This means the world to us. I can't believe it." Days later, Thomas arranged for the entire Brooks family to experience a week of paradise at the stunning resort. With crystal clear waters, white sandy beaches, and welcoming smiles from the resort staff, Eliza, Doris, Sean, and Penny stepped into a world of tranquility. As they arrived, the beauty of Jamaica enveloped them. Thomas, who joined them for the trip to ensure everything went smoothly, watched as Eliza's eyes sparkled with joy. They strolled along the beach during sunset, laughing as Sean attempted to impress the family with his soccer skills on the sand. Doris beamed at her children, her worries momentarily forgotten. One afternoon at the resort's pool, Thomas sat beside Eliza as she relished a pina colada. "This is incredible, Mr. Reed. We've never experienced anything like this," she said, her voice filled with gratitude. "You deserve it, Eliza. The way you care for others, your kindness doesn't go unnoticed. I wanted to give back a little of what you offer every day," Thomas replied sincerely. "That means so much to me. I always thought it was my duty, but you've shown me how important appreciation is," she said, looking into his eyes. Eliza's family also began to bond with Thomas. Doris shared stories of her children's childhood, Sean talked about his soccer dreams, and Penny spoke passionately about her love for art. Thomas listened intently, laughing and sharing stories of his own. On their last evening, they gathered on the beach, the sky painted with vibrant colors as the sun set behind the waves. As they shared a meal under the stars, Eliza turned to Thomas, her heart full. "Thank you, Thomas, for everything. You've changed our lives in ways we cannot put into words." Thomas smiled, feeling the warmth of genuine connection. "And thank you, Eliza, for reminding me of the essence of gratitude and family. We should never forget to cherish those around us." With laughter, stories, and promises to stay connected, they finished their meal, knowing this trip would create memories to last a lifetime. As the stars twinkled above, they realized that true wealth isn't measured in money, but in the love and bonds we share with one another.